Today's entrepreneurs have an unprecedented array of channels and tools available to showcase their new businesses. And since the dawn of the World Wide Web, WWW, email has been the best channel to accomplish this. But with the rise of so many other communication channels, is email marketing still relevant?
In this course, AI and email marketing, you will learn how to cut through the noise and leverage email marketing with the latest innovations in AI.
First, we should define email marketing and explain why it's still not just relevant, but very relevant.
Good idea.
Thank you.
Email marketing is a form of marketing that reaches potential customers directly through their inboxes. Now, with the mass availability of AI tools, email marketing is becoming even more personalized, and we love personalization.
Love it.
With increased efficiency and inspiration that only AI can provide.
And as much as we all complain about emails, I know you do, statistics still show that it is the most effective form of communication for business. But why? Why is that? The global count of daily email users stands at 4 billion and is expected to rise, I hope you're sitting down, to 4.6 billion by 2025.
Oh, I was sitting down. I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, I'm sitting down.
Every day, 99%, 99%.
That's almost 100.
Right? Of email users check their inbox. I'm one of those. And some individuals check it up to 20 times daily. Oh, I'm sorry, I was looking at you. Among these, 58% of consumers prioritize checking their emails first thing in the morning. That sounds like, is this you?
This is me in bed. Yep.
The return on investment, or ROI, for email marketing remains one of the greatest. $36 for every dollar spent.
Even with all those stats, many business owners and entrepreneurs still think email is irrelevant because their own open and click-through rates are low. But there's a way to fix that. Over the following few lessons, we'll discuss how to make email relevant again for your business by using AI to craft your email marketing strategy and make your content more valuable in a very noisy online world.
Yes, remember, we're trying to break through that noise, and we'll begin by exploring how social media channels and email marketing are not at odds, but need to work together to achieve your marketing strategy.
That's right, and then we'll discuss the prompts and tactics you can use to work with AI, keeping in mind your target audience, frequencies, sales goals, and those desired outcomes.
Now, go with me here. While crafting an email marketing strategy is one thing, putting it into practice by creating content, it can be a challenge.
Yeah.
It really can be. In an upcoming lesson, we'll show you how to use prompts from our course resource to generate email content.
And it doesn't end there. Then we'll explore email marketing automation and the tools that can make it easier, including the new GoDaddy Arrow, an AI-powered experience that helps you find a great domain and then seamlessly create a website, logo, and so much more.
Love the more. And finally, we'll wrap up the course by walking through an example of an email marketing content plan. But we'll also discuss how to incorporate AI into your task when executing that plan.
And I think I recognize you from one of those videos.
Oh.
Arrow Squad, right?
Oh, you know it, Arrow Squad.
I recognize you. And with that, let's move into our next lesson, exploring how social media and email marketing interact to create better outcomes for your business.